Merry Christmas! I'm being quiet because it is still pretty early. I think it's about 8 AM and the sun has not come up yet and there's a beautiful Christmas tree. So I want just to wish you all a very Merry Christmas, and yeah, I'm just doing a very quick 30k. I think Christmas Day is one of my favourite days to ride a bike because it's so, because it's so quiet, and then there's just like a random can rolling down the hill. But it is generally really quiet, there's hardly any cars on the road and it's just so nice. It's very foggy though, look. It's pretty foggy. So yeah, I'll just take you around, show you the sights around Bolsover again, and I'll see you shortly. I hope you're having a wonderful, I hope you, by the time you see this, it will be near the end of Christmas Day, so I hope you've had a lovely day and I'll see you shortly. So I'm pretty close to home now, so yeah, that was just a very steady 30k on lovely quiet roads, and it is a lot warmer, so I think it's about 5 degrees, so it feels pretty tropical, I have to say. So I will see you in a little bit. I want to go back now, have some breakfast with my family, do a little bit of present swapping, eat some food, probably eat a bit more food, and then chat to you in a little bit for my photo for today. It's a good one. We are back to the new segment of this video series, which is going to be the photograph. And today is a very good one, like I said before. And let's just get straight into it. It's this one. Is this the right side? Yeah. Let me move this way so you can see it a bit better. This picture is one of some of the least favourite photographs I have of myself, and to be honest, this photograph was a good one. I deleted all the bad ones. This was the good one that I kept. This was on Christmas Day. It was Melbourne. It was 4 years ago, and it was about 4 or 5 months before I ever bought a road bike. And if I'm being completely honest with you, it was the year that I was travelling and I just felt lost. I felt like I didn't really know what I was doing with my life. Like I got a job that I wanted, I was working as a journalist, but I quit because I was like, this is just, don't think this is for me. I then went travelling for a year and I just wanted to see what the other things were out there, and I travelled, and I just remember feeling so awkward on the beach because obviously I was like the heaviest I'd ever been. I was like about 100 kilos there, and I did feel awkward, and I don't know why I had the photograph. I'm so glad that I did, but I just wish I kept the other ones to show you because yeah, you can see. And it was just kind of like a faked smile, and yeah, I guess the reason for this is that 4 or 5 months after, I can't remember how long it was after I bought my road bike, I just felt like this is it, this is what I'm meant to do. I don't know why, cycling just had this like almost instant effect of like, this is incredible. Like I just feel like, I don't know, I can't really describe it. And then since then, with like healthy eating obviously, I've just dropped so much weight, and most of that has been a mixture, like I said yesterday, of my diet, which is just really quite clean, vegan, like plant-based foods, and obviously adventuring. I don't want to say exercising or cycling, well it is cycling, but it was just this adventure of like just building my confidence on the bike. And I guess I'm showing you this picture today because it's, well obviously it's 4 years to the day, but also like I didn't start off cycling and it was easy. It was so hard. Like honestly, I really struggled. I struggled riding 10k, I struggled riding 20k. I remember when I did my first 60k ride to the beach and back, I was like, oh my god, I can't believe this is the most amazing thing. I felt so achieved, and I was like, yes, I've just rode 60k. That's the furthest I've ever ridden. And yeah, so this is a way to kind of, if you are in a place where you are struggling or you are finding the bike difficult, if you stick at it and just keep going, I guess it's with anything, it doesn't even necessarily have to be with cycling. If you've got a goal in your head that you're trying to go for, just keep chipping away at it, because you will eventually, it'll be easier. It'll just get a lot easier. So I just wanted to share this photograph today. And also, if you are trying to lose weight as well, I'm going to do, like I said yesterday, I'm going to do a lot more videos in the new year about weight loss and what's worked for me, tips, tricks, more recipe videos. If you want what I eat in a day videos, I mean, do people still watch those? If you want me to make them, I will. I thought about maybe putting together like my favourite, like top 5 go-to recipes, if you are interested in that, just to genuinely try and share some of the things that I've learned over the years and that have helped me drop like over 30 kilos. So it's more than 30 actually, so I'm about 67 kilos now. So yeah, it has been a long journey. And I'm not saying it was easy all the way. I think with things like that, it's never just like, it never just goes like easy. Like you have like, it goes like that. And like sometimes you just hate what you do and you're like, why am I doing this? I'm just so frustrated in my body. I'm so frustrated on the bike. But you just keep going, keep pushing past, and here I am. And I'm not saying that it's perfect now, because it's not. I still get frustrated, and yeah, but I absolutely love the bike. I mean, you can't not love the bike if you're gonna ride on Christmas Day. Like I just freaking love riding my bike. Probably sounds a little bit simplistic, a little bit basic, but I just really do. So yeah, if you've got any questions about any weight loss or starting out on the bike, then leave them in the comments and I will get back to them. I'll chat to you, try and help you out. And I guess I'll see you tomorrow for Boxing Day's edition of the Festive 500. So hope you've had an amazing day. Hope you've eaten lots of nice, yummy foods and spent lots of times with your loved ones, and that's what I'm going to go back and do now. So yeah, that's why it's been a bit of a short one today. I'm going to go back, spend some time with the family, and I'll see you next video. Tomorrow actually.